This 18-year-old kid is making lakhs just by giving out free water.
But I can say I can easily buy 2 iPhones every month. I have already applied to Y Combinator and started pitching. It took multiple rejections before we found one that aligned with our vision.
Hi, I am Vikas Chaudhary. I am 18-year-old and a student at Polaris School of Technology. I am the founder of Freetoyum. So this is the manufacturing plant of Freetoyum. So let's go.
Vikas was just 17 when he realized something shocking. Big brands were spending massive amounts on marketing, but with zero real impact.
I saw that brands often invest tons of money in marketing strategies that don't truly connect with people on the ground. That's when the idea of Freetoyum hit me.
So he established Freetoyum. But what does it do? It sells water bottles, but not just any water bottles. These bottles carry a brand's message in a way that actually matters.
यहाँ से वाटर बॉटल्स आती हैं, यहाँ से वाटर बॉटल्स फिल्स होती हैं, उसके बाद यहाँ से कैप्स बनने के बाद ये वाटर बॉटल्स आगे जाती हैं फॉर द लेबलिंग. सो यहाँ पे लेबलिंग होती है, देन लेबलिंग होने के बाद उसके बाद एट लास्ट द प्रोसेस इज पैकेजिंग. सो एट लास्ट वो पैकेजिंग के लिए चली जाती है.
So I started Freetoyum in August 2024. The goal was to create an advertising model where brands could engage with people in a more and meaningful way. So I noticed that brands were spending huge amounts of money on marketing, but most of it was not creating real impact. That's when I thought, what if everyday products like water bottles could become a powerful branding tool? So we have a team of business development managers who reach out to the different brands and pitch our idea. Once the brand comes on board, we work closely with them to understand their marketing strategy, targeted audience, design languages, and other key details. So our design teams then create the water bottle labels, ensuring they align with the brand's identity. Meanwhile, I work with the market researchers to identify the best location for distribution. Once the label design is approved, we move into the production level, preparing that branded water bottles should properly completed. Finally, we distribute these water bottles for free in the targeted areas. Each bottle features a QR code that people can scan to learn more about the brand, ensuring direct engagement and measurable impact. For example, we recently worked with a health brand. So for them, the targeted areas were gyms and the hospital. So we distributed these water bottles in that place. So who were coming or going out of the gym or hospital, we will distribute these water bottles to them. So till now, 5 brands have collaborated with us. We have successfully partnered with Sri Venkateswara College and Rajdhani College of Delhi University. So we have distributed 7,200 water bottles across 5 different brand packages. Let's keep that in a wrap, please. But I can say I can easily buy 2 iPhones every month. Finding the right manufacturer was a tough, as we wanted square water bottles, not round ones, as the space in the square water bottles was huge compared to the round ones. So hence it took multiple rejections before we found one that aligned with our vision. Plus, finding and convincing brands to try this new advertising model was also challenging. So we are now looking for the funding to scale this business. I have already applied to Y Combinator and started pitching the pitch deck of the Freetoyum to the investors. The goal is to revolutionize advertising while making a real social impact.